3 men now behind bars after getting caught red-handed overnight. But it's what they stole that could impact your morning commute. Like the whole thing was caught on surveillance cameras. Now Mentor police are on the hunt for what appears to be a Bonnie and Clyde duo. Take a look at your screen. Mentor police say this man and woman are. There's not a whole lot of new you can actually get today. For instance, no new mail, post offices are closed, and carriers have the holiday off. Putting together a list of fun and free events you can take advantage of. For today's featured Free Fun Friday find, you'll need to round up Rover. This evening, the Summit County Metro Parks is hosting For the Dogs.
But that could change at any point this morning, with the Browns expected to finalize a deal to bring on University of Oregon coach Chip Kelly as the new head coach of the Cleveland Browns. The Browns owner Jimmy Haslam and CEO Joe Banner met with the deal goes through. Kelly will become the 14th head coach for the Cleveland Browns. Will continue to camp out here at Browns camp awaiting a decision.
Is Kelly going to meet with the Browns again anytime soon?
Well, ESPN is reporting that all three will actually come together and meet again tonight after Kelly has had a chance to sit down with both the Buffalo Bills and the Philadelphia Eagles and consider their offers as well. So for now, we wait.
All right, that's right. Busy day for Kelly as well.
Hey,
Thank you very much, Cedra Mayfield.
Company, the motto, Cleveland loves the New Jersey Shore. That's the message that they're sending today to Hurricane Sandy victims, along with this U-Haul truck that they're trying to pack in right now with local donations. But they say people can also help by donating one of these.
It's $10 to get in the door.
Deanna George and Don Pearl, better known as Deej, organized today's fundraiser, where for a $10 donation, guests can enjoy a full buffet, live entertainment, and a chance to help out others still in need.
We have a meal to sit down to at Thanksgiving where these people have nothing right now.
We're going back with this van with whatever items we get, and we're going to help these people that lost their homes.
This Staten Island native's personal mission, shared and supported by neighbors like Greg Fuller of Geneva.
We want to help people if they need it, and that's what Northeast Ohio does that all the time. So I'm proud to be from here, and I'm proud to be able to help these people.
All money collected today will go to the Cleveland Loves the New Jersey Shore Fund.
Going straight back from Cleveland to New Jersey.
Local dollars helping the East Coast get back up and running.
And while the party continues inside, there's still time to come bring donations to fill this truck outside. Come Monday, Deej will actually drive it down to New Jersey and hand deliver the items to police and fire departments. On your side in Willoughby,
when Crystal Lulai arrived 6 hours early to work Saturday, it wasn't for an early morning holiday special.
Someone had broken into the shelter.
The animal house had been robbed, the whole thing caught on tape.
I saw someone bust in the window, the grooming door, and they ran directly to the cash register.
When the thief broke through this glass door, one of 3 security alarms were tripped, signaling Lulai's security service and the Wayne County deputies stationed just minutes away.
There was no looking around, there was no nothing. Directly to the register, ripped it out, and ran right back out. It was all of 30 seconds.
But the thief made off with several $100s before the deputies could arrive. A speedy break-in.
Knew right where to come through this door.
And get away. Lulai suspects carried out by someone familiar with the shelter.
I personally believe it was someone who was employed here before.
She shared that concern with the Wayne County deputies who are investigating the case. While replacing the building's damaged door is a relatively quick fix, Lulai says replenishing the stolen cash won't be as easy, meaning struggles ahead for the shelter.
We don't know which bill won't get paid. We don't know if it's food, litter, light, whatever that's going to have to be pushed back.
In Lorraine, Cedra Mayfield, News Channel 5.